This season we started about 4 months ago, and we have cropped about 1,200 acres.
This season we have 110 farmers. These 110 farmers, we have been able to cultivate 1,200 acres. The 1,200 acres, we have put them under one type of species of rice, and that is Arise Gold. The Arise 444 Gold. It is doing well, being that it is a heavy feeder and the land is very fertile. We expect about 4.5 tons per acre. Of course, the harvesting is already going on, and we have met our target. It is 4.5 to 5 tons per acre. So in a sense, we are expecting some big tonnage, and we are happy because this time round we have been privileged to have been given the combined harvesters. So the combined harvesters have improved the efficiency of harvesting, so the production has gone up.